What's up, home bartenders? I am loving these fall sippers as the weather drops and the temperature gets lower. These cocktails are just hitting the spot. This one here's got cognac, banana liqueur, and sherry. Let's make the Banana Bliss. Let's do it.
All right, so I'm going a little different than the online recipe, but we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of cognac or brandy, whatever you got. After that, we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of a quality banana liqueur. This is my homemade. Try not to use that artificial tasting stuff. After that, 1/2 ounce of an Oloroso sherry. It should be a dry sherry here. You can use Amontillado. You could even use Fino, but don't use a Pedro Jimenez. A couple bitters. We're gonna do a dash of Ango and a dash of Peychaud's. And that's it for our ingredients. Let's get some ice in our mixing glass and let's give it a good mix until that ice settles in. There it is. And we're gonna strain it into a stemmed glass. Now, it should garnish with a banana, but I didn't have one.
So here it is, guys, the Banana Bliss. Oh, that's really, really good. You first get that cognac flavor up front, the richness of the cognac, and then you get the banana flavor, and then on the finish, you get those kind of raisin nutty notes from the Oloroso sherry. And it's a dry sherry, so it's not like a raisin sweetness. Like, don't use Pedro Jimenez in this, please. Don't use Pedro Jimenez. You can use Amontillado. If you want to learn more about sherries, I have a video on that. It's just the perfect balance. That banana flavor is there. This is my homemade banana liqueur, so it's not that like artificial banana flavor. I feel like an artificial banana liqueur would really just overpower with that flavor that I hate. But with a really quality banana, it just complements the cognac and the sherry. You're getting some spices from the two bitters that we used, Ango and Peychaud's. You're not getting too much. We only did 1 drop, so you're not getting too much of that anise flavor from the Peychaud's. It's there, but it's not overbearing. Guys, if you're missing out on some of these drinks, I've got my fall playlist right there. Make sure you click that. And we're getting close to Halloween, so make sure you click that guy to see some Halloween cocktails, all right? We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.